Hello everyone, my name is Alberto and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I wanted to show you quickly tutorial for the half double crochet. Same start as the others, we have our chain and we have our hook. We previously chained 2 more. So we start from the number of chains that we need from the pattern and then we chain 2 more. And this is how we're gonna start. Usually I showed you how I crochet in the middle chain or the back chain because I like the finish more. In this case I'll show you how I crochet in the top chain, which is what usually most people do. I don't really like the finished result, but I mean, it's not up to me. So I'm gonna skip the 2 chains from the hook that we added, and I'm gonna start by yarn over and inserting the hook in the chain. There I'm gonna pick up the yarn, bring it through, so I'm gonna have 3 loops on the hook, and now I'm gonna yarn over again and bring it through all 3 loops together. And this is the stitch, this is the half double crochet. So repeating it again, I'm gonna yarn over, going through the stitch, bringing the yarn through, I have 3 on the hook, yarn over, going through all 3. And this is the half double crochet. It's very simple. Doing it again. There we go, and you can see it's already starting to form. This is a mix between obviously double crochet and single crochet, sort of. It's not as tall as the double crochet, but it's obviously taller than the single crochet. So we got to the end, we have to turn. Of course, as usual, we're gonna chain. In this case, we're gonna chain 2. Then we're gonna turn our work. As usual, we're gonna skip the 2 chains from the hook. Now, normally, we all stitch through these, which are the stitches. And these down here are the bars. Now, usually you always crochet in the stitches, but sometimes you might have to crochet in the bars. And this depends on your pattern, on the look you want to achieve. So I'm gonna show you a little bit later how both types look in the end, because they do look a bit different. Here I'm just gonna stitch a bit more of half double crochet, just normally. So this is the half double crochet. You can see it's starting to look like it should. And here you can see that it looks absolutely normal with the stitches and the bars. So you have the stitch on top, the space on the bottom, and the bar in the middle. Now I'm gonna show you how it looks if instead of doing it in the stitches, you crochet in the spaces. Which means instead of going through only the 2 stitches on top, you pick up the bar underneath. So see, here's the 3. Normally you only do 2 on top. We're gonna do all of them, which is easier as well because the spaces are obviously a lot bigger. And there we go, here's the end. This half is the normal half double crochet. And you can see that if you open a bit the fabric, you can see the spaces and the bars in the middle. And here is where we crocheted in the spaces. And you can see there's only one hole, let's say, with no bars in the middle. So it does look different. It looks more latticey compared to the first one. And it's up to taste, and again depends on the pattern you're following, but in case you were wondering, here's the difference between how the two looks. Also at the bottom you can see that instead of having the nice flat braid like the other times, the braid is sort of more at an angle because we stitched in the top stitch instead of the back one. So here's the half double crochet. I hope you liked the video and it was useful for you. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye!